Hi, I'm Drew Bender. I'm a Vice President and Senior Trust Officer of Midland Trust Company, working out of our New York office.
And I'm Diane O'Lear, also a Trust Officer here at Midland Trust Company. Drew and I work together as a team on a variety of matters, ensuring that our client experience is an exceptional one.
So today I would like to talk about something called differentiators. These are things or attributes that we are or that we do that are truly set us apart from other trustees who work in the supplemental needs trust and property guardianship space. You know, Diane, a lot of trust companies spend a lot of time trying to differentiate themselves from the pack, which is important to do because we are all doing essentially the same work, or at least that's the way it appears from the outside looking in. We at Midland Trust Company like to think we are truly different. Would you like to highlight some of those differentiators for us?
Sure. For one, Midland Trust Company is not a bank. While we are a wholly owned subsidiary of a large Illinois bank, we are a trust company and not a bank. And that frees us up to focus 100% of our attention and abilities on performing the fiduciary functions we get appointed to do. As a team, we are responsive, focused, and very experienced in the supplemental needs trust and property guardianship space. We don't have tellers and we don't make loans. We are strictly a fiduciary and a wealth manager. And being owned by a large bank, we have the full support and backup of a large financial institution.
That's right, Diane. We're free to focus on what's important to our clients, which is trust administration, wealth planning, asset management, and above all, personalized attention on what's going on in their lives. When we're talking about supplemental needs trust and property guardianships, we're talking about individuals who have suffered some personal injury or medical malpractice. Our client relationships are quite intimate in the sense that we are helping people who would otherwise not be able to help themselves. We learn about their medical conditions, their injuries, and their life expectancies. And because of the intimacy, we must approach our role with compassion and empathy and with teamwork. One trust officer alone working on an account just doesn't cut it. We take a team approach. So tell us, Diane, what it is about our team that makes us truly different.
Well, for starters, many of our clients are Spanish speaking and do not speak English. If they were speaking only with a non-Spanish speaking officer of a trust company about their severely disabled child, that would add a lot of stress on the relationship and potentially derail the relationship before it even starts. More than 50% of our staff is fluent in Spanish, which is important in the New York area.
Yep. And additionally, we as a group are highly experienced and highly educated. Several of our senior officers have more than 3 decades of experience. I am one of them. And many of our trust officers are lawyers or law school graduates. You're one of those.
Yes, I am.
Several have the CTFA or Certified Trust and Financial Advisor designation. And at least one officer has a deep background in fiduciary tax and accounting, and another has a master's in tax, and a few have MBAs. The level of experience and education within our group is simply astounding. Is there anything else, Diane, that you would say really sets us apart from the rest in terms of our staff? That one differentiator that maybe not many other trust companies, if any, could lay claim to?
Yes, definitely. There are a few of our staff who have personal experiences with injured or disabled children, spouses, or parents. For example, one of our trust officers who is fluent in Spanish has a parent who suffered a TBI or a traumatic brain injury. When he speaks to clients about their child, spouses, or parents' TBI, he can relate to them in a way that most other trust officers simply cannot. Another one of our senior trust officers has a daughter who suffered a quasi-medical malpractice. His daughter is a complete paraplegic as a result of her injury. Many of our clients with supplemental needs trusts are fully disabled. They're in wheelchairs. That senior trust officer can form a relationship with these clients that goes deeper than the usual client-officer relationship. He has firsthand experience and he can truly empathize with what's going on in their personal lives.
Thank you, Diane. Many of our folks have also completed the New York Article 81 lay guardianship training, which gives them a perspective on disability that they would otherwise not have. In addition to the differentiators we just spoke about, there are some other points I think are important to highlight. As we have a laser focus on court-supervised settlement trust, we formed strong working relationships with attorneys practicing in this space. including litigators and other attorneys working on the settlements. And with courts and the court staff appointed by the courts, including judges, court examiners, guardians ad litem, and referees. In addition to the professionals on the legal side, we have excellent relationships with other peripheral folks, yet very important people such as care plan advisors, and the idea being that we believe the teamwork aspect needs to extend beyond Midland Trust Company. And we've made it our business to do just that. Thank you so much for listening to us. I think we are truly a unique group, and I believe that with all my heart. If we in the New York office can help you in any way, please feel free to call us.